Hello. So for this video, I'm asked to use the vectors below and to draw each vector. So here we have vectors A, B, and C. So vector A is just magnitude is being multiplied by 3. So this one is a lot longer than the original one. And B, it's -3. So the magnitude increases and the direction changes. Then for C, it's 1/3 of the original vector, so it's a lot shorter, but it's still the same direction. In part B, asked to draw each vector tip to tail, and then label the resulting vector P. So I've done this label. I've drawn each one tip to tail, but for the resulting vector, it's only one that's not drawn tip to tail, so it's going up and slightly to the left. And then B, part C, I'm asked to describe the direction of vector P using the squares. So we've taken each vector, breaking them down into their components, which I've got here. A is a 6x hat, and B it's -6x hat minus 9y hat, and C it's -8/3 x hat plus 4/3 y hat. So the vector would be describing its direction would be -8/3 x hat minus 23/3 y hat. And then for part D, coming down here, I'm asked to write in an equation that shows the relationship between all the vectors that add up to vector P, which would be 3 times vector A plus the inverse of vector B times 3 plus 1/3 of vector C. And then when we add up all the vectors in a different order, we still get the same. Vector P and Q are the same direction.